Hey everybody, Don Dabney, owner of Left Coast Classics, and this is just like a time capsule. I mean, it's an amazing 1982 Chevy Silverado C10 4x4 diesel, and it's been in the same family since it was brand new, and it's like a little time capsule. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to take you around the truck. I'm going to take you under it, but first, we're going to fire it up. We're going to take a ride in it. Here we go. And there we are, we're just cruising at like freeway speeds right now. I mean, everything in here works. I need to test the 8-track, but I mean, the radio turns on. It's got an 8-track tape player, dual fuel tanks, the heater system and the fan and all that's working. Working gauges, all of the gauges are working. Tilt steering, cruise control, haven't tried that yet. You know, so horn, wipers, lights, it's just really functional. Nice truck. Power door locks. They're really kind of the going to town version. You know, when you go out and you start it in the morning, you just turn the key on, wait for the glow plug light to go off, barely turn it, and it fires right up and runs really smoothly. The brakes, the suspension, everything feels great. The tires, just a really nice performing truck. I mean, you can really step on it and go and lean into it a little bit. All right, so there you go. An amazing Silverado. I mean, it's just amazing. I can't believe it. So anyway, if you got any questions, give me a call. My number is right there. If you're on these third-party sites, sometimes they have these other phone numbers to call in 800 numbers and blah, blah, blah. It's just easier to get a hold of me directly on my cell phone, and you can text me too. I'm self-employed. I pretty much work whatever 80 hours of the week I want, so that's the way to go. Also, if you saw this on a third-party site, you should head over to my website, leftcoastclassics.com. Here's the web address. There's tons more content on my website than I can possibly put on one of those third-party sites. So check all those out. Check us out on 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers. On Motor Trend, we did a 57 Ford Thunderbird years and years ago, that one. And then we do a 72 Lancia Fulvia, I think in 2018, and then Triumph TR4 back in 2020. All fun episodes. Check them all out. Check out this cool Silverado. If you got any questions, give me a call. Happy to chat. All right, let's head under the C10. So we'll start at the back. We got a new tow package, and we noticed that ground wire is hanging there, so we'll tidy that up. But it also has the controller inside the car for the brakes, and other than that, it's really nice and original under here. And I'll tell you, we did clean it up because we wanted to be able to, you know, detect anything and access the numbers on it and stuff. There's a little leak coming from, it looks like the front of the engine up here, because it kind of drips down right there, and then we can see it on the crossbar. And yeah, so you got a little bit of an oil leak there. You want to keep an eye on that. So there's close-up shots. This is I think it's a new process transfer case. I've got some close-up shots that'll have some of these numbers on here if you want to look at those. And it looks like it's got a 700 R4. And up here we got a newer starter. And yeah, and again, close-ups of all the transfer case, the rear end stuff, so you can check all that out. But look at that, really nice floors, inner rockers, really good shape. Got your dual tanks over here as well, as you can see. This is really a bitchin' rig. Super cool. Pretty incredibly preserved. Okay, now for my Midwest, Eastern Coast friends, whatever. Just gonna go around with a super light magnet and let's check the lower areas. I think you can see all the bad area from under the truck, but let's just do it anyway. Well, the paint job on the truck looks really nice. I don't think a lot of love was put into the lowest of areas, which is a little common, but you know, unless you're really got it up on a rack and you're looking at it, that's just really minor. I don't know if it's rust or just dirt under the paint. I don't know what's going on there. Because again, when you get back behind it, it's totally fine. So I suppose if somebody wanted to clean that up, they could. Yeah, you got all that, but still, look under here. That's clearly surface related. All right, there you go.